Alright folks, this is a cold start video. Car has been off overnight. As you will see, I'll try and provide some shadow here. All our lights are working. We've got the check engine light, parking brake, brake fluid, interlock, etc. Car is completely cold. In terms of lights that we have on, we have the brake lights. I'm going to hit the brake. There we go. So, as we go here, I'm going to start it. Close the door for a moment. As you can see, it's completely cold. It is 9:45. Put the parking brake down. You can see she's doing what she's supposed to be. I'm gonna put the parking brake back up. You can see here. She is idling. So here, listen. Sorry, it rained last night. Here's the car. I'm going to move the phone around so you can hear different parts. Injectors. Accidentally hit the button on the phone. So I'm going to put the hood back down in a moment. Coming out right now. So she's been on, what, 2 minutes? You can see that the temp gauge is coming up here a little bit. Sounds pretty good. So here, I'll just wait for her to come up the temp a little bit so you guys can hear. I'll roll down the window too so you can hear. Lights, no weirdness. She just idles like she should. We haven't driven her in a few days since the auction's been on, so. power steering. That's just fine. See, nice crack-free, bubble-free dash. VIN tag, upside down. Just in super nice shape. Starting to come up to temp. Simply being kind to her here. I don't want to rev it too much because she's only been running about 5 minutes. We haven't been doing anything, so. As you can see, coming up to temp like she should be. No weirdness. Check engine lights. Just starts and runs like she should. Easily an everyday driver. Again, I put about 500 miles on the car here in the past month. And no issues. So guys, I'm going to cut it here.